Hey friends, Miss Schrader here to talk about telling time to the nearest minute and show you this really cool resource that I also have linked to Google Classroom. So I'm going to add a clock and I'm going to click geared hands because it'll work just like the ones we have in class. And while I have it clicked, I'm going to click this symbol right here, which will let me see the minute numbers to help me, which is really helpful. And even if you click the hand labels, it'll even label the hands for you, so to help you figure things out. So, telling time to a minute. So let's say if I have my clock set here. Let's see if we can figure out what time it is. So this is my shorthand hour hand. It hasn't touched the 1 yet, so I know it's going to be still in the 12 o'clock hour. And let's count by fives. They're here to help us. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. But it didn't stop there, so we count on by ones. 26, 27. So it's 12, 27. And here's another cool trick about this resource. If you click on your clock, and then you click this digital mode, it will check your answer. How cool. So we're going to turn that off, and we're going to erase my thing. Let's try another time. Gotta turn off my pen here. Ooh, apparently it goes really fast if you don't watch what you're doing. Okay, so let's look at this time. Again, I start with my hour hand because that's my first number. So I always know my hour. I put an H. That's my hour. And those are my minutes. So, my hour hand, I can even draw a line here. It's past the 9, but it hasn't gotten to the 10, so I'm still in the 9 o'clock hour. And now I'm going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, it didn't get this far, so I count these lines. 21, 22, 23. And I can check again. So I'm going to turn off my pen, click on my clock, click on this, and I am right. It's 9:23 a.m. So hope this helps. So we want to look at the hour hand. If it hasn't touched the next number, it is still the time that it has passed, and then we count by fives and count up there by 1 to get to where my minute hand is. Feel free to click and use this resource to help you figure out the questions for your class. Use it, play around with it. This is a very helpful tool to help you practice time. So I hope it helps you a lot, and I hope you stay happy and healthy.